I received this 1-gallon plastic jug today and in exchange for this review. And if you do notice, it comes with the lid. Let's go ahead and when you put the lid on there, it seals it. So know that when you put it on for the first time, that seal will be completely sealed. And then when you open it and turn it, this is going to break off. I am now going to have to break that bottom piece off in order to open it. Okay, so here it is off. And here's the lid. Now it still works. So put the lid on without that and it still is very tight. So this gallon has multiple purposes. You can use it for water, milk, syrup, beverages, cooking oil, or you could go a whole other route and go for automobile liquids, cleaning items, or even detergents. However, you cannot use this in the dishwasher and in the microwave. This jug has a leak-proof lining to ensure the sealing and no spillage. So what I'm going to do is fill it up with water and then try to spill it to see if that's true. Let me do that now. Okay, I put some water in it. I'm going to show you that right here. Now this is the translucent color in this jug. There are other colors and they have multi-packs. This is just the one that comes in one. Let's go ahead and I didn't see any water come out. Great. So definitely true to the description, no spillage. So again, many uses for this jug, whatever you might want to use it for. Great that it doesn't leak. And I hope this information was helpful. Hope you'll have a great day.